bathroom. Yeah.
Okay.
So the bathroom, it put in most of the pipe and the toilets and the thing, but you don't want to get the thing, the glass you put on it yet. You know, cause a friend helped me with the toilet and the... So anytime I get the thing around the shower now, I see the shower up and I can't use it yet. I don't have the face base and stuff.
Yeah.
They run everything around already.
Everything's ran. You just need the enclosure and the drain maybe over here for the shower. So maybe with a hose you can shower yourself off.
Yeah, then the drain is already in. Come on, I'll show you a little problem I have with the door too. Now we have the door, so we can make a one, no? Door not, see this? All of me lock this door now. I have to push it up this way. Yeah? The man, when I get the battery from, I have to send to foreign for the battery.
Oh, okay.
So I have a little saving on my help to fix the room. So it kind of burn out the battery. Because I know I have to get the battery. Yeah man, because you can see when you put them, more time them swell up. Because good while now I never go doctor, you know. I never get to doctor a while now because I go on surgeon doctor, I go on be a doctor bachelor. And a while I get to go. Because you know the funds are more time, the little funds, more time you have to eat. So I say, you know, yeah man. But otherwise still more time, draw down a little bit now still because I have to depend every minute. But at the same time, sometimes I want to know what really happened to me. Like somebody that want to get injured on the sea, like bends.
Okay. So when you were a fisherman,
yeah, I want to get bends.
You were a deep sea fisherman, yes, diving,
yeah,
you got the bends.
Yeah.
And you're paralyzed from the waist down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can't do nothing, but we can't do something, but I try to help myself. But it kind of get tough because my girlfriend did, you know. This lady.
Yeah.
So
she passed what? Has it been a year yet?
Yeah, about a year or two now. She passed, so she did that help me. It's one of my friends who helped me too. She in passed off just recently.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of tough for me, you know. So I try to get a little help. Yeah. It's really hard because more time, sometimes I say enough to think, you pray, and say when you pray enough, pray and like think about what you pray about. But at the same time, even when you think me a human, me have to say, what a man, what me I go use a man, what me I go spend a man, because me have money to spend, because me not work, and me not working, me have to eat.
Anybody's watching this, you understand that even if all you can do is 10 US or 20 US or 35 US or 50 US would really be great, because there's quite a bit of work that needs to be done here. You know, who can help that way they help, because you know how well fine I might not stay about Jamaica, and I say, well, is your problem nothing about, you know, it's not go perfect or not perfect, but a little thing, cause you know, it's a little, I have to get up and more time I wonder too much. Because I have to say, when me eat this evening, I'm not this morning. What me I gonna eat? Strawberry. Just make your life better.
Yeah man, this will make my life better.
Yeah.
Hard, you know? Hard man, hard, me I tell you. It's struggling, but it's a part of life still, you know, I know that. Struggling is a part of life. Because it's tough out of Jamaica, you know? Tough man, and you might say $5 whatsoever, it's small, but we appreciate it down here, man.